And here is the complete look of what's inside. There's a Mega controller board, an LCD1602 module, a RC5 RFID module, a prototype expansion module, a power supply module, a GY521 module, a servo motor, and then HC motion sensor, sound sensor, water detection. This looks really fun. An ultrasonic sensor for sound, an RTC module, a rotary encoder, a DHT temperature and humidity module. It sounds a lot like very complicated things. I'm just an amateur, like a novice. It's an IRS receiver module, joystick module, remote control module, matrix display, 1-digit segment display, more 4-digit segment display, some weird chips, an active buzzer, a passive buzzer, a 5-volt relay, fan motor. This is exhausting. A membrane switch module, but it's also fun. Tie points, breadboard, battery, SAP1 connector, 9V1 adapter, breadboard jumper wire, female to male DuPont wire, USB cable, one piece, a resistor, a thermistor, whatever that is, diode rectifier, a 100 UF electrolytic capacitor, 10 US electrolytic capacitor, NPN transistor, NPN transistor, tilt ball switch, and whatever a ball switch is, button, 5 pieces, red LED, yellow LED, blue LED, green LED, white LED, RGB LED, 104 VF ceramic capacitor, 22 PF ceramic capacitor, and photoresistor photocell. And these are the contents of the package. And now I can just show you some of them up close. This thingy. Also this thingy. Joystick thingy. And then there's a battery thingy. And then when I look in here, there's a motor thingy. And a wire. You thought I was gonna say thingy. But I guess it is a wire thingy. And in here there's another thing that does something. I don't know what it does, but it all looks very fun.